Are you having problem keeping variables outside your Python code or writing and managing codes for your cloud database? Stop damaging your brain and destroying your device. Try Pydataman. He will do all the hard works on your behalf. Basically, Pydataman is used for saving data outside your code, which can be variables or external files of any format. Let's say you have created a game with Pygame and published it. Now you want to save the best score outside your game so that whenever you restart the game don't forget the best score. Here comes the usage of Pydataman. Again, let's say you want to share the highest score with players all over the world. Here you must use Pydataman to do it in the easiest way. Installing Pydataman in your device is quite easy. Simply open up your terminal and enter pip install Pydataman. If you are having any problem with the installation, let me know and I will fix it. First, import the module. Then call the save function with the name and value to create a variable. If I run the code now, a variable named x is created with the value 5 outside my code. Now, if we want to read the variable, simply call the read function with the variable name that you want to read. It will return the value. If we run the code now, you can see it's printing the value of x, which is 5. One thing to note, the save function can also update variables. You can store variables of any data type including list, dictionary, set, tuple and other objects. One more thing, if you want to check if a variable exists, simply call the exists method with the name of variable as argument. It will return either true or false. Quite easy, huh? First, we have to set up our online database. Go to console.firebase.google.com and log in with your Google account. Click on Add Project and enter a name for your database. Disable Google Analytics because we don't want it. Click on Continue. Click on Real-Time Database on the left. Create a new database. Remember to select your nearest location here for the fastest performance. Click on Next. Select Start in Test Mode and click on Enable. Now go to the Rules tab and change the values of both read and write to true. And voila, our database is now ready to use. Come back to Data tab and copy the URL of your database. Simply go to your code and import Pydataman. Create an instance of cloud variable with the URL of your database as argument. Everything is now ready. Let's create a variable. Name it y. Its value, let's say a list. 1, 2, 3. This line will create a variable named y. Now let's try to read the value of it. Let's run it. Here you can see it's printing the list. If we remove this line, you can see it's still working because the variable is saved in your database, not in the code. So whenever we run this code, this line gets the value of y from your database and prints it. If you use multiple devices and a single database, you can transfer variables between the devices. Like you saved a variable from device 1 and read the value of it from device 2. If you would like to check if a variable exists, simply use the exists method. Let me show you. If we run the code, it's printing y exists. That means the method is returning true. Simple. Pydataman is completely free and open source. You can freely use, even modify the module if you want. Any suggestion will be highly appreciated. Created by me, Sajedur Rahman Fiad. Special thanks to Jonayed, Mohiuddin, Shanto. For more description, visit GitHub. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.